Pydantic AI composes model instructions by appending toolset-level guidance after agent-level instructions, so a single function toolset, carrying its own usage guidance, integrates seamlessly with an agent's static persona. This artifact demonstrates how that composition resolves in practice when a toolset is registered at agent construction time. The code creates a function toolset with an instructions, string, and a plain tool registered via at toolset tool plain, then constructs an agent with its own instructions, parameter, and passes the toolset through the toolsets argument, finally running the agent and inspecting the combined instructions via result. All messages 0. Instructions.
From Pydantic AI import agent, function toolset. From Pydantic AI models, test import test model. Toolset equals function toolset instructions equals use the greeting tool for all greetings. At toolset tool plain. Def greeting name, SDR. A greet someone. Return hello name. Test model equals test model. Agent equals agent. Test model. Instructions equals you are a friendly assistant. Toolsets equals toolset. Result equals agent. Run sync hi there. Print result all messages 0. Instructions. You are a friendly assistant. Use the greeting tool for all greetings.
This example demonstrates how toolset instructions get appended to static agent instructions at runtime. The agent is constructed with instructions equals you are a friendly assistant, and the toolset carries its own instructions equals use the greeting tool for all greetings, which gets combined into a single instructions block. The all messages 0. Instructions output confirms the ordering. Agent instructions first, then toolset instructions appended after. The pattern avoids duplicating usage guidance across multiple agents that share a toolset. You define tool-specific instructions once on the toolset, and they compose cleanly with whatever agent-level personality or constraints you set. When multiple toolsets with instructions are registered, all of their instructions are combined in the order they were provided, so ordering of toolsets in the constructor matters. Let's break it down.
From Pydantic AI import agent, function toolset. From Pydantic AI models, test import test model.
Imports agent and function toolset from Pydantic AI and test model from Pydantic AI models, test for testing purposes.
Toolset equals function toolset instructions equals use the greeting tool for all greetings.
Creates a function toolset instance assigned to toolset with a static instruction directing the LLM to use the greeting tool for all greetings.
At toolset tool plain. Def greeting name, SDR. A greet someone. Return hello name.
Registers a plain tool function that takes a name string and returns a greeting formatted with that name. The @toolset tool plain decorator marks it as a tool available to the toolset.
Test model equals test model.
Creates an instance of test model and assigns it to the variable test model.
Agent equals agent. Test model.
Creates an agent instance named agent with test model as its first constructor parameter.
Result equals agent. Run sync hi there. Print result all messages 0. Instructions.
Calls the agent synchronously with the greeting hi there and stores the returned result. Then retrieves all messages from that run, takes the first one, and prints its instructions.
You are a friendly assistant.
Provides a markdown formatted reference of Pydantic AI concepts, including agent, instructions, tools, toolsets, and run result methods. Agent instructions and toolset instructions compose by simple concatenation. Agent first, toolset after. The function toolset carries its own guidance string and gets registered at agent construction via toolsets. So the same toolset can plug into any number of agents without rewriting tool-specific instructions. The output from all messages 0. Instructions confirms the ordering, and the entire pattern hinges on that single ordering rule. Whatever toolsets you pass, their instructions append in the order you gave them. That's the connective insight. Toolset ordering in the constructor directly controls the final instruction order, making composition predictable without any extra wiring.
A greeting tool plane waits for a name. Its instructions never promise to call.